got to see this kid. He's your absolute #1 fan.
Yeah? He really likes me that much? I heard you're a fan.
I'm not a fan. I'm Elmo. Gosh, Mr. Cod, I've seen all your shows. Seen your movie. Even heard all your records.
Which trick would you like to see?
Yes,
Which one?
please. Oh, thank you. Mr. Cod, will you sign my...
Of course. Who should I make this out to?
Yes,
To the kid. Thanks for all you've done. What have you done, kid?
right.
Signed, the Cod. Would you like to see my collection of Caped Cod action figures? I even have the one with lifelike fins and the kung fu grip.